Welcome to the Power Transformation channel. The power of transformation is in your mind. Hello, dear viewers of the Power Transformation channel. Welcome to another captivating video, where we explore the lives of remarkable visionaries who embody the power of mental transformation. Today, we'll delve into the extraordinary journey of an innovative entrepreneur, Jeff Bezos. Our mission's guiding phrase resonates profoundly in his story: the power of transformation is in your mind. Join us as we unveil how Jeff Bezos overcame challenges, achieved unparalleled success, and imparted invaluable lessons through his life. Early vision and entrepreneurial roots. Jeff Bezos, born on January 12, 1964, in Albuquerque, New Mexico, exhibited an insatiable curiosity and passion for technology from a young age. Growing up surrounded by the cosmos and space exploration, Bezos' early fascination with science and computers laid the foundation for his future as a transformative entrepreneur. During his formative years, Jeff displayed his entrepreneurial flair, starting small businesses such as the Dream Institute, where he gave educational summer camps for kids, and later working on Wall Street, honing his skills in finance and business. The birth of Amazon. In 1994, fueled by the belief in the potential of the internet, Bezos founded Amazon in his garage, with a vision to create Earth's biggest bookstore. From the onset, Amazon was a manifestation of Bezos' innovative mindset and unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction. Despite initial skepticism and challenges, Jeff's relentless pursuit of excellence propelled Amazon's rapid expansion beyond books, diversifying into e-commerce and a vast array of products. Risks and rewards. Bezos' boldness was evident as he navigated Amazon through various ups and downs, taking risks to innovate and disrupt the traditional retail industry. His resilience and long-term vision allowed Amazon to persevere and grow, even during the dot-com bubble burst. With a focus on innovation and customer centricity, Bezos pioneered Amazon Prime, transforming the online shopping experience and setting new industry standards. Creating a global empire. As Amazon flourished, Bezos expanded the company's offerings with the Kindle e-reader, Amazon Web Services, AWS, and ventures into streaming services, artificial intelligence, and more. His willingness to explore uncharted territories and invest in cutting-edge technologies positioned Amazon as a global tech giant. Blue Origin, venturing into space. Jeff Bezos' passion for space exploration has been a lifelong pursuit. In 2000, he founded Blue Origin with the vision of enabling human access to space and advancing space travel technology. Bezos' vision for Blue Origin extends beyond space tourism. He envisions a future where millions of people live and work in space, unlocking the potential for human expansion beyond Earth. The journey to becoming the world's richest. As Amazon's growth skyrocketed, Jeff Bezos' net worth also soared, propelling him to become one of the world's richest individuals. His success brought both acclaim and scrutiny, as he faced criticism for Amazon's impact on traditional retail and labor practices. Nonetheless, Bezos remained focused on Amazon's mission to be the most customer-centric company in the world and continued to innovate, invest, and expand. Personal development and leadership. Jeff Bezos' approach to personal development and leadership has been crucial to his success. He is known for his focus on long-term thinking, setting ambitious goals, and staying day one in the mindset of a startup. His emphasis on embracing failure as a necessary stepping stone to innovation echoes the sentiment that setbacks can be opportunities for growth and improvement. The power of customer obsession. defining aspect of Amazon's success is Jeff Bezos' unwavering commitment to customer obsession. By prioritizing customer needs and feedback, he cultivated a culture of continuous improvement and innovation. Bezos' philosophy of making decisions based on what is best for customers, even if it means sacrificing short-term gains, exemplifies the transformative impact of customer-centric thinking. Creating a legacy. As Jeff Bezos steps down as Amazon CEO, his impact on the world of e-commerce, technology, and space exploration is undeniable. His transformative journey has inspired countless entrepreneurs, innovators, and dreamers to think big and take risks. Bezos' commitment to philanthropy and environmental causes, exemplified by the Bezos Earth Fund, illustrates his dedication to creating a positive impact on the world beyond his entrepreneurial endeavors. Innovating the customer experience. Jeff Bezos' commitment to revolutionizing the customer experience played a pivotal role in Amazon's success. He recognized that the traditional retail model was limited in its ability to serve customer needs efficiently. Under Bezos' leadership, Amazon embraced data-driven decision-making and personalized recommendations to enhance the customer experience. The introduction of features like one-click ordering, customer reviews, and fast shipping through Amazon Prime reshaped online shopping and set new standards for convenience and efficiency. Leading with a long-term vision. Jeff Bezos' long-term vision and Day One philosophy became the driving force behind Amazon's growth and innovation. He encouraged his team to think like a startup, to remain agile, and to continuously experiment and evolve. By focusing on the long term, Bezos was able to navigate the challenges that arose in the early days of Amazon, such as stock market fluctuations and the dot-com crash, without losing sight of his vision for the company. Balancing ambition and adversity. Like any successful entrepreneur, Jeff Bezos faced numerous obstacles and adversities throughout his journey. He navigated regulatory challenges, competition, and public scrutiny with resilience and determination. Despite Amazon's unprecedented growth and success, Bezos remained committed to staying grounded and connected with his customers and employees. He recognized the importance of humility and continuous learning, as success did not shield him from the need to adapt and improve. The power of investing in people. Jeff Bezos understands that a company's success is driven by its people. He values the talent and expertise of Amazon's employees, fostering a culture that encourages creativity and innovation. Under Bezos' leadership, Amazon invested in employee development and offered opportunities for career growth. His commitment to diversity and inclusion within the company contributed to a more inclusive and collaborative work environment. The art of innovation. At the heart of Jeff Bezos' approach to innovation is the belief that innovation is not a linear process. He understood that to truly innovate, one must be willing to take risks, embrace failure, and be comfortable with uncertainty. Amazon's willingness to experiment and embrace failure led to the creation of groundbreaking products and services. Bezos encouraged a culture of experimentation and learning, where employees were empowered to take risks and pursue innovative ideas. Lessons in leadership. Jeff Bezos' leadership style is characterized by his ability to empower and inspire his teams to think big and take ownership of their projects. He values diverse perspectives and encourages open dialogue within the organization. Bezos' leadership principles, as outlined in Amazon's leadership principles, serve as guiding values for Amazon's employees, promoting a culture of innovation, customer obsession, and long-term thinking. The power of transformational thinking. Jeff Bezos' life offers a treasure trove of lessons for personal development, success, and innovation. 1. Dare to dream. Bezos' audacious vision for Amazon's growth and his foray into space exploration teach us the importance of dreaming big and taking calculated risks. 2. Embrace change. Jeff Bezos' ability to adapt to evolving markets and embrace technological advancements emphasizes the need for flexibility and continuous learning. 3. Customer centricity. Bezos' unwavering focus on customer satisfaction underscores the transformative power of putting customers at the heart of every decision. 4. Learn from failures. Bezos' willingness to experiment and learn from setbacks reminds us that failure is a stepping stone to growth and improvement. 5. Transform with technology. Bezos' success with Amazon and Blue Origin highlights the transformative potential of leveraging technology to create a positive impact on society. In conclusion, Jeff Bezos' life is a testament to the power of transformational thinking, innovation, and resilience. From an ambitious entrepreneur starting a bookstore in his garage to leading one of the world's most influential tech companies, Bezos' journey exemplifies the limitless potential within each of us. The Power Transformation channel's mission aligns seamlessly with Jeff Bezos' story, reminding us that the power to transform our lives lies within our minds. By embracing our potential, setting audacious goals, and persevering through challenges, we can achieve extraordinary success. Jeff Bezos' life serves as an inspiration to those seeking personal development, success, and a positive impact on the world. We hope this detailed exploration of Jeff Bezos' life has been a source of inspiration and motivation for you. Share this video with friends and family to spread the message of transformation and boundless possibilities. Stay tuned to the Power Transformation channel for more inspiring stories, personal development tips, and success strategies. Remember, the power of transformation is in your mind.